Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, on this fine sunny day here. I got my trailer all cleaned off. I gotta get my excavator ready to get loaded up here. I'll show you guys the whole process, but here's my excavator. It's been cold. I haven't started it in a while, so let's see how it starts. Started right up fine. Now, I'm gonna get my truck down there, but my trailer is through the woods there. I gotta get this over there first, and then back my truck down in to get it loaded. This is for just a one-day job. We don't do a ton of excavating stuff in the spring. In the winter, excuse me. But I took this little job on. I'll be moving a building, but we'll see you in a little bit here. Well, I've let it warm up for a minute, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready to, let me dump this out. Get ready to get it loaded here. Down across the road over to the trailer and get it in place, ready to load. If you haven't driven one of these, this is a mini excavator, 10,000 pounds. Just one aspect of my business. They are sweet, very sweet. Do a lot of stuff with them. Yeah, I'm gonna drive over here, across this road without getting hit. Not a whole lot of traffic right now. This isn't the ideal spot to load it. But we've had snow and rain, and it's just created a lot of ice on the roads and stuff, and it is not fun to load on an icy road. So at least here you can see I got dirt underneath my tires so I can chalk them and get it loaded safely, even though the ramps are a pretty steep angle. I'm gonna go ahead and get turned around here. Down over this hill so I can come up on blade first. I like to load it blade first, bucket and arm in the back. Well, here we are. I'm just gonna pull up to this trailer here and just get it pretty close because I need to go and hook up the big truck to the trailer so it won't move when I'm loading it. I'll leave this running here. That's how you load it on a steep slope. I gotta pop up those ramps before I can spin the back of it around here. Okay, well, it's all loaded. It's not chained down yet. I'm going to do that right now, but this is the position I like it. A little bit of space in front for an extra bucket or something. Blade up forward. And the main boom and bucket in between the ramps in the back. And I will chain it down now and go from there. Well, here is this thing all buckled down properly. Chain in the front, door shut, keys off, chain in the back, and I throw the excess chain in there. I could cut it off, but sometimes I use this for pulling out stuff, you know, big cinder blocks or trees, whatever. But it's all buckled down. I do have to put a strap over the bucket, and she's gonna be ready to go. Well, this is gonna do it for this video. The machine's all on the trailer, ready to go in like a day or so. I think the job is tomorrow or the next day. But if you guys want to see a video of this thing in action here on a job site, let me know and I can do that. We do a lot of lot clearing, driveways, a lot of stuff like that, digging trenches. You know, I think there's probably a lot of interest for people to see that sort of thing. So I could put a video together, you know, about that. But in the meantime, peace out.